In this integration, we have to find the value as x to the power 4 minus of 3 upon x square plus 1. So you will write x to the power 4 minus of 4 plus of 1, and in denominator you will write x square plus 1. But it will not give you as 1. So what you will do? You will write it as, you will write the value as integration of x to the power 4 minus of 1, and here you will write minus of 2, and you will write integration of x square plus 1 dx. So you will write, if I will separate all the values, you will write x to the power 4 minus 1 and x square plus 1 dx minus of 2 upon x square plus 1 dx. So you will write x to the power 4 minus 1 as x square minus of 1 and x square plus of 1. Why? Because we are using the formula as a square minus of b square. So x square plus 1 is written here. You will write dx, and x square plus 1, x square plus 1 will get cancelled. You will get minus of 2 integration of 1 by x square plus 1. So integration of x square plus 1 can be written as x cubed by 3 minus of x minus of 2 into tan inverse of x plus of c. So this is the integration that you will get, x cube minus x cube by 3 minus of x minus of 2 tan inverse x plus of c.